Gardening has a way of humbling you. One small change can flip everything you thought you knew on its head. That's exactly what happened to me the moment I stopped mulching my beds with compost. I used to treat compost like magic, my safety net, my cure-all, my soil superhero. But when I put the compost away and let nature take over, the results honestly shocked me. If you've ever wondered whether you're using compost wrong, you're in the right place. Because I realized my relationship with compost wasn't healthy at all. Compost is precious, right up there with time when it comes to growing food. And I was wasting it year after year. Every autumn I'd spread a thick, beautiful layer of compost over my beds, convinced I was tucking the soil in for winter. But plants weren't thriving, earthworms disappeared, nutrients vanished by spring. And the soil? Not improving like the books promised. So I did something that felt almost taboo. I stopped mulching with compost. And that choice opened my eyes. Here's what I learned first. In nature, you never see bare compost exposed in winter. Walk through a forest, and what do you find? A blanket of leaves breaking down slowly, protecting the ground. Nature never dumps finished compost on frozen earth. Instead, it covers the soil with raw organic matter, letting microbes and earthworms do the work over time. Meanwhile, I was putting down my best compost right before winter, letting rain and frost leach away all those nutrients. I wasn't feeding the soil, I was feeding the rain. And without a protective layer, the compost's biology slowed to a crawl. No wonder the earthworms disappeared. They were simply avoiding the harsh, exposed surface. So I tried something different. I mulched with what nature uses: leaves, grass clippings, a little seaweed, even chopped weeds. Suddenly, the soil stayed moist. Earthworms came back. The soil structure turned into that rich, dark, crumbly stuff every gardener dreams of. By spring, I didn't need to dump wheelbarrows of compost anymore. I used it where it mattered, right in the planting holes, giving each plant a real nutrient boost at the roots. No waste. No stress about running out. My compost pile actually felt abundant for once. And when I compared the beds, those mulched with nature's materials outperformed my old compost mulched ones in every way. Better moisture, more insects, less compaction. The difference was obvious. My big revelation: mulch protects and feeds the soil, compost feeds the plants. Two different jobs. Compost is not a winter blanket, it's plant food. Treat it like anything else, and you dilute its power. So here's my advice. Use nature's mulches in winter, leaves, grass, weeds, whatever you have. Then, in spring, put your compost right at the roots where it matters. And if you've already mulched with compost, just cover it up with leaves or grass to protect it. This one shift freed me from gardening anxiety and gave my plants what they'd been missing all along. Follow nature's lead, and your garden will thrive. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Nature's Fix and share this with a gardener who needs to hear it.